Welcome to day one, or episode one, of rating math equations like food. Today's dish is the Pythagorean Theorem. How does it taste? How does it make you feel as you're consuming it or using it? Well, personally, I feel great when I'm using the Pythagorean Theorem. It's just so slick, especially those Pythagorean triples. So 10 out of 10 for me for taste. Next, we have the price point. How accessible or how easy is it to use the Pythagorean Theorem? Is it relatively cheap and affordable to use, or do you have to book a reservation at your fancy graduate program in order to fully appreciate its subtleties and nuances? And in my opinion, all you need to bring to the table is some familiarity with basic arithmetic and with squares and square roots. Although in my experience as a tutor, some people do struggle with square roots, in particular simplifying square roots. So perhaps I'll deduct half a point for that. So 9.5 out of 10 for price point. And finally, we have versatility. How easy is it to pair the Pythagorean Theorem with your favorite mathematical side dish, so to speak? And here, I think the Pythagorean Theorem really excels. You can find the Pythagorean Theorem in the distance formula, in the equation of a circle, in the magnitudes of vectors, in Fermat's last theorem as well. So the Pythagorean Theorem gets a 10 out of 10 for me for versatility. And that, of course, brings us to a grand total of 29.5 out of 30 for the Pythagorean Theorem, which means it is certifiably slick. But what do y'all think? Do you agree with my assessment? Let me know down below in the comments. With that, I hope you're doing well. Make sure to hit that follow button for more math content. And as always, I'll catch y'all in the next one, where we'll perhaps be looking at a close quadratic cousin of the Pythagorean Theorem.